Yeah, hi, this is Shyam Chetwani once again, and we had a wonderful financial consultation call with Mr. Vipul Tandon. So he's a very renowned doctor, and we had a more than 2 hours from now we are connected and having a financial discussion step by step from him. So, Mr. Tandon, I would like to know from you, like, what are your takeaways and how you like the session? What is your honest feedback on the session so far?
Mr. Sham, I feel somewhat blessed that I got a meeting with you, and you have explained in a very lucid way and cleared so many doubts. And I now see the things with a different perspective, how to go about it, how to plan, how to execute. So definitely kudos to you, and for so much thank you for such nice explanation and detailed explanation, and for your kind patience also. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. There is one last question, like, what best thing you like? What best thing you like about the call, or which you feel that this is one really very important and which was missing out of my portfolio, and you really feel that this is really was a game changer for me out of this call.
The part which you highlighted about the some guaranteed income, because one can definitely, we all know about guaranteed income, but we don't pay heed to it because it is all hidden by the returns and all the mutual funds and everything equity, and it seems a very minuscule return on that. But definitely that is a very important part, because if one is disabled, or if one is not able to work and not generate income, then only this is that which comes into play at the time of requirement. So that was the really the point which hit home, I think.
Yeah, great, great. So thank you very much for your kind words, and we'll definitely work upon the inputs I have taken from you, and we will stay connected. And
Sure.
looking forward to take care of you and take care of your financial, especially. And thank you very much once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you.